And this is Amit. As you all have appeared for the JEE Mains examination, most probably you have appeared and some students will appear on 7th and 8th. So as of now, April 2nd, 3rd and 4th exam is done now. So here I am with minimum marks that you need to score at least to get into the JEE Advanced exam, that is to qualify for JEE Advanced exam. Second time I am talking about. First let me inform you the percentile, because percentile will remain same for all the shift. You have to score that percentile, but to get that percentile different marks is required in different shift due to the difficulty level. So for general 93 to 94 and more chances there, around 94 it will be this year. And for EWS 81 to 82, if it is 82.5 then also you can't you don't need to surprise, because number of students has been increased. For OBC similar case 80 to 81, but it can be 81.5 also. And for SC 61 to 62 it can be 63 as well. And for ST 47 to 48, and for PWD you also know 0.001 percentile, so that is nothing. So here is the information for second general. If you talk, then 125 and 120 marks is required minimum to clear the cutoff of JEE Advanced. EWS 74 and 72. For 2nd April I am talking about first and second shift. After slash the data is for second shift of the same day. For OBC 72 and 70 marks, SC 50 and 47 marks, ST 37 and 25 marks. Now I will discuss about third 125 and 105 marks. For EWS 77 and 62 marks, for OBC 75 and 60, SC 52 and 40, ST 40 and 32. And here I would like to inform you about the complete counseling guidance for JEE and other counseling also across India. On the screen you can check the detail. In the next section you will be able to check the detail. You can check the review of the student also on my app, that is Exam Academy. Once you download you will get all the update and information for free. And also if you want some course, there will be offer going on sometime, so you can purchase that also. Once you download the app you will get the notification regarding that. So whenever you want you can contact me regarding that, and in the description contact number also available. If you want you can contact me and get the guidance. For 4th 110 and 125, 67 and 42, 65 and 67 and 72, and 65 and 70. Complete guidance for all college across India. So once you join this you will get the best college by the end of this year academic season, that is 100% sure. Guidance for JEE, BITSET, BIT, Nepal, Amrita, COMEDK, SRM and many other colleges like WBIT JEE, KSET, STCET, GUJSET. There are lots of college and college counseling also, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, multiple counseling. So get best college and branch for sure, that is 100% sure, as I am having the 6-7 of years of experience, and best strategy and roadmap for each exam, how you should enroll in examination, how to prepare for that, and how to get the best result, and then how to get the best college with best fee and best branch as well. One-to-one call, message, video session, everything is available, and counseling be one-to-one only, then only you will be able to ask all the questions. And until you get into the best college I will be guiding you. Choice filling, decision making, that is very important thing that I will be doing for you. Personalized choice filling for you, what should be the correct order, decision making after each round, freeze, float, slide, what you should do, everything I will be guiding you. For OBC SC 42 and 47, ST 33 and 37. For PWD just need to reach the center. For all shift all day, once you reach the center you are qualified for the advanced exam. Obviously to get an IT or triple IT college with any branch you need to score some percentile, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 depending on the requirement you have to score. And what is the cutoff for that you can check in the playlist of PWD. You will get all the information. So thanks for watching this video. Similar information I will provide you for 7th and 8th April also, so kindly subscribe the channel, and I will be live soon on the same channel so that you can ask all your questions on the same channel. Thank you.